Mutton Briyani Recipe. Take half kg mutton and add a quarter spoon of turmeric powder and a cup of water and mix it well. Now add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of chilli powder and mix it well. Close the lid of the cooker and pressure cook the mutton for 8 to 10 whistles. In a pressure cooker, add 3 tablespoons of oil and a spoon of ghee and whole spices like bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and add 1 whole onion thinly sliced and saute them well until the onion turns into glassy brown color. Now add 1½ teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Now add a spoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it well until the raw smell of it goes away. Add 1 thinly sliced tomato and saute them well until it becomes mashy. Now we're gonna add masala powders. Quarter spoon of turmeric powder, half spoon of chilli powder and 2 tablespoons of biryani masala powder and mix them well. To add more flavor to the biryani, we're gonna add a chopped coriander and mint leaves. To enhance more taste to the biryani, we're gonna add a spoon of curd. Once all the masalas and the onions are blended well, then add a pre-cooked mutton. Now add 1½ cup of rice and mix them well. To add more taste to the biryani, we can add 3 cups of mutton cooked water, and here I am using 2 cups of mutton cooked water and a cup of plain water. If you don't have the remaining of mutton cooked water, then you can add 3 cups of plain water. Now close the lid of the cooker and pressure cook it for 2 whistles. Once the pressure leaves, open the lid of the cooker and give a gentle mix to the biryani. It is an easy and simplest recipe to prepare mutton biryani in pressure cooker. I hope you guys like this recipe and I want you guys to try it once and share your views on the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.